Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, from wherever you are, and welcome back to Tech Intro. In this video, I just want to tell you some tip, and I want to discuss something to you guys. If you know you're having problem with withdrawing money on this new altcoin and shitcoin on the market using your trust wallet, don't know how to withdraw your money and you've been getting error with PancakeSwap. If you know you want to learn more tips on forex trading, how to get signals, how to know when to trade, when to buy, when to sell your market, then the VIP group is good for you to discuss. We discuss a lot in the VIP group. I created the group for the main purpose of solutions to my subscribers. Once you join the VIP group, you have access to questions and answer, where you can bring in your questions, we answer you deliberately, and we give you a solution to your problem. We help you out with your coin. Maybe you want to exchange with your money, maybe you want to buy on Trust Wallet or whatever exchange you want to use to buy your coins, and also many other things we discuss concerning the slippage of your coin on PancakeSwap, and also a lot of things where I can't mention a lot in the video. Okay, so if you wish to learn more concerning PancakeSwap, if you wish to know how to make money with PancakeSwap without buying anything, then this video is meant for you guys. Just go to the description below and you will see a link there. Tap on the link and send a message saying I wish to join the VIP group. Okay, and the VIP group is 3 months subscription, 6 month subscription, and a lifetime subscription. The 3 month subscription is $50, while the 6 month subscription is $75, and the lifetime subscription is $350. So guys, this is kind of a good aspect for you to know how to do some things online. A lot of solutions that is being aired in the group concerning cryptocurrency, forex trading robots for you to trade your coins without you touching it at all you have to do is to set a strategy, but a lot of things are being discussed in the VIP group, where I do share some of my forex trading robots where you guys can use to trade, and you also have benefits to some traders, because I'm introducing some forex trading experts where they can give you some tips. They lecture you concerning when to buy and when to take your profits when trading with forex trading. So if you are new to forex trading and you want to learn a lot of things, you are new to shitcoin, altcoin, all you have to do is go down to the description below and tap on the link to send a message saying I used to join the VIP group. So guys, I'll be waiting for you in the group. Have a nice day.